Hello to my viewers. Today's topic is about separation of variables. So this topic is under differential equations. This math is intended for students who are majoring in mathematics and sophomore engineering students. So I have here number 1, y e to the 2x dx is equal to round brackets 4 plus e to the 2x dy. So need to separate the variables. So this will be divided by y and then 4 plus e to the 2x. And then the same, y round brackets 4 plus e to the 2x. So cross out. So I have here e to the 2x dx over 4 plus e to the 2x is equal to, this one will be crossed out. So I have here dy over y. And then integrate both sides. Now, I will take my assumption. This will be my u. 4 plus e to the 2x. Then derivative of this function. So this will be 0 plus derivative of e to the 2x, that will be 2 e to the 2x dx. So this will be 2 e to the 2x dx. This will be my du. Then divide to both sides. So this will be crossed out. So my du over 2 is equal to e 2x dx. Okay, for this integral, so I have e to the 2x dx over 4e to the 2x. So e to the 2x is equivalent to du. So this will be du over 2. And then, sorry, I need to write big integration. And then e4 plus e to the 2x, that will be my u. And then is equal to ln. So this will be integral of dy over y, that is ln y. Okay? So need to simplify this one. Integral of du over 2. Since I don't have denominators, I will put 1. And then change this division operation. And then upside down of u plus u over 1, that will be 1 over u. So this will be, sorry for the inconvenience because I have only limited space on my whiteboard. So this will be 1 over 2, and then I have integral of du over u. And then I need to copy this one, ln y, and then I should write ln c also. Okay, so in this integration, so I need to have 1 over 2 ln u. Then this will be ln using logarithmic function. So this will be ln cy because this is addition. So ln u, which is my u. So this will be 1 over 2 ln 4 plus e to the 2x is equal to ln cy. Or I can write this one, my logarithmic function. This will be 4 plus e to the 2x raised to 1 over 2 is equal to ln cy. Then divide both sides by ln. Cross out. Cross out. So I have here so this will be 4 plus e to the 2x. Need to copy this one first. equals cy. Then I need to square this one. Squared both sides. Erase first. So this will be 4 plus e to the 2x raised to 1/2 is equal to cy. Then need to squared. So this will be crossed out. So I have here 4 plus e to the 2x is equal to c squared y squared. Or I can write this one in proper way. So c squared y squared is equals to 4 plus e to the 2x. So this is my answer for the separation of variables. That's all.